The quickest way to check your Sceptre monitor's input is using the Physical Input or Source button. This button cycles through all available input sources on your monitor. Your Sceptre monitor supports multiple input types. HDMI ports are the most common for modern devices, while VGA provides analog connections for older equipment. DisplayPort offers high bandwidth for gaming, and DVI provides digital connections. Let's examine the physical connections. Here you can see the back panel of a Sceptre monitor with clearly labeled ports. When connecting cables, ensure they're firmly seated in both the monitor and your source device. For HDMI connections, insert the cable firmly into the HDMI port. Most Sceptre monitors have multiple HDMI ports, so remember which one you're using when selecting the input source. The second method is using the on-screen display menu. Press the menu button on your monitor, then navigate to Input or Source Settings. This allows you to manually select the specific input port you want to use. Modern Sceptre monitors feature auto detection capabilities. The monitor automatically detects active signals and typically prioritizes digital inputs like HDMI and DisplayPort over analog connections like VGA. If you see a no signal message like this, first verify that your cables are firmly connected to both the monitor and source device. Then ensure you've selected the correct input source that matches your physical connection. Remember, a blank screen with the power LED on usually indicates incorrect input selection. Use either the physical input button or the OSD menu to cycle through and select the correct input source for your connected device. First, let's address the most common issue: cable connections. Always ensure your cables are securely connected and in good condition. For multi-device setups, label your monitor's inputs through the on-screen display menu. This makes switching between devices much easier. For gaming consoles, manually select the correct HDMI port and enable HDMI 2.1 features for optimal performance. This ensures proper 4K at 120 Hz signal recognition. When connecting older computers with VGA output, manually select the VGA input and adjust the resolution through the on-screen display menu for optimal compatibility. Keep your monitor's firmware updated to benefit from improved input detection and switching speeds. Newer models show up to 40% improvement in performance. Following these troubleshooting steps and best practices will ensure optimal performance from your Sceptre monitor's input system and prevent common connectivity issues.